Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I have my own business which I've been running since 2019, and ever since I got it profitable, its profit is basically my income. However, I only keep 2,500 ringgit as my monthly salary even until today. Today, I'll be sharing why I only give myself a 2,500 ringgit monthly salary even as a business owner. First, I would like to clarify that I registered a business under sole proprietorship in Malaysia, and people may not know what that means. Here's a simple explanation. Basically, in Malaysia, registering a business and a company is two different things. When you register a business, which is like what I did, your business is not a separate legal entity. So when people are suing your company, it means that you're suing you as well. However, this also means that all the profit and losses are directly covered by the business owner, which in this case is me, and it's taxed under the personal tax structure. When you register a company, your company is now a separate legal entity. All its liabilities are separated from the director and the shareholders of the company. However, it's now taxed under the corporate tax structure, and all the profit will be distributed to all the shareholders, and the director will only receive salary. Unless the director is a shareholder at the same time, which means he will also receive his share of profits. So, from what I've explained, a sole proprietor basically reaps in all the profit. But I don't do that. I don't take all the profit. I only take 2,500 ringgit into my personal account every month, and I leave the rest in the business account. I'll explain why. Prior to my entrepreneurship experience, I've only worked as a part-timer or an intern with a maximum salary of 2,000 ringgit per month. Having just turned 20 when my business got its first profit, I know that it's cool to be able to earn more money than all my peers in university coming out fresh graduate. But the thing is, do I really need that? There's a famous saying in Mandarin which says that it's easy to ascend from economical to luxurious, but it'll be hard for you to descend from luxurious to economical. I know that I can afford to take all the profit and put it in my pocket, but it's better to live a frugal life because you never know what may happen the next day and you lose all your sources of income. Therefore, I went and calculated all my monthly expenses and settled in with a magic number 2,500 ringgit. This number is similar to what other fresh graduates are getting in Malaysia, and it's able to cover all of my monthly expenses. Being a business owner, some of my expenses can be counted towards my business. Example expenses such as car maintenance, medical, or company upkeep are all business expenses. Therefore, my 2,500 ringgit brings more value to me because I don't have to pay for things such as toll, petrol, or medical. Basically, if an expense is work-related, you can avoid paying it directly with your own salary. Another reason I pay myself a fixed salary is because I use a salary management system. This salary management system which I use is called 6-pot salary management, and it works by splitting your salary into 6 different accounts every time it's issued. The 6 different accounts are: first, expenses. Basically, all the money in this account goes towards all the expenses you spend on a daily basis. Second, personal reward. All the money in this account shouldn't be saved for more than 3 months because you should spend it for things which you like to do, just to motivate yourself to keep using this system. Third, personal growth. All the money in here should be spent on investing yourself for things like education or buying books. Fourth, long-term saving account. So the money saved in this account should contribute to a larger amount in the long term. For example, like housing deposit. And fifth, passive income. So all the money in this account should be spent on investment, which will contribute passive income in the future. And finally, the sixth account is charity. So I believe that everyone should just contribute to the society whenever they have the ability. And basically having a fixed amount makes this system easier, because if I just take whatever profit that I have every month, the number will vary differently and I will have to recalculate how much to give into every single account every single month. And also, if it's a fixed amount, you can set up direct debit through banks, and then they will just transfer this amount into every of your account every month once your salary is issued. As the profit is made from my business, it's actually better for me to reinvest the profit into my business instead of spending it for myself. Salary can be said as a reward for your time and effort that you put into the business. However, if you want your business to grow, you can't just wait for it to grow. Capital is needed for hiring, expansion, or improvement, and you can spend your profit on all these areas. Ultimately, if your business actually grows and expands, your profit increases too. And when the value of your business increases, your value increases together as well. These are the 4 main reasons behind my decision of paying myself a fixed salary of 2,500 ringgit monthly. Of course, I do have the thought of increasing my salary yearly, because it's important to reward ourselves for the right thing that we have done, and as we grow older, we do need to spend more on our responsibilities. However, if you don't agree with all my ideas, it's fine, you can actually take all your profits as your salary, but it's always important to have self-control on your spending, as you need to keep a balance between spending and saving for growing your business and navigating your business through unexpected rainy days ahead. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Maybe consider checking out my previous video where I talk about the 10 lessons I've learned from being a student entrepreneur. Or maybe you can check out the Incongruous channel, which is actually a podcast channel created by me and my girlfriend Verene, where we talk about incongruous thoughts in our daily life. Thanks everyone for watching, and hope to see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.